Guys, look, I have these all things to make a super delicious chocolate cake. And now let's begin. Things we need is 6 spoons of chocolate powder, vanilla, 1 small spoon of baking powder, and oil, and milk, and sugar, and flour, and 2 eggs. Okay guys, so I put 2 eggs here, and now we have to do like this. Now we are gonna to add some sugars. Here's a lot of sugars. Now I want to put oil. Wow, now it's super slimy and it's super soft and delicious. And now we are going to put some flour. I add all the flowers, and now I add all the flour inside. And now I'm going to take 1 spoon of baking powder, and now I'm going to put some of this. Hard, see, it's so slimy. And now I have to add some milk because it's super slimy. Now it's a little bit better. Now it's so slimy and it's so delicious. It looks like so delicious. And now we don't need any more milk. And now we're going to put chocolate powder. And my sister really like to put chocolate powder. So she's going to put. I put in here. I want to put there. How much? And then now flip this. Oh, now it's so delicious. And see, it looks like vanilla and chocolate, my favorite food, my favorite sweet. And look, it's so delicious. My mouth is watering. Oh my God. The chocolate cake is going to be a super chocolate cake. Actually, like a Superman. Now look, it's so delicious. It looks so delicious. It looks like just like a chocolatey mountain. And now we are going to put this here. It looked like a very long chocolate coming out. Or it looked like a water. Here's a river and all the water is a chocolate.
Chocolate pillows.
Oh my.
Chocolate pillows, like that.
All the cake inside this to bake it. And my sister is going to put these things in the cake. And can I help?
Yes.
So nice. Look, there's all nuts inside here, chocolate inside here. And it's so healthy. Ready? I'm going to put it in the oven. And the heat is 180 in 20 minutes.